Shaken by her own suspicions and unable to ignore the tightness in her chest, Nicole decides she can't face this mystery alone. That's when she turns to a private investigator, someone known for exposing liars with precision and calm confidence. The moment he steps into the house, the atmosphere shifts. The girls, still groggy from the night before, wake up to find themselves being checked, questioned, and analyzed in ways they never expected. Every detail matters: fingerprints, reactions, even the way they speak when confronted. Nicole watches anxiously as the investigator moves from one friend to another, peeling back layers she never knew existed. What was supposed to be a simple pre-wedding celebration suddenly feels like a full-scale interrogation, and each friend seems to be hiding something. As the tests continue, the tension thickens, and Nicole realizes that the truth might be far more complicated than she imagined. Everything begins at Nicole's lively bachelorette party, where laughter, music, and excitement fill the air. Her friends crowd around her, celebrating her upcoming wedding, and for a moment it feels like nothing could go wrong. But underneath the smiles, Nicole senses something off: little whispers, strange glances, and a growing discomfort she can't quite explain. When Bruce briefly appears at the party, Nicole notices details that don't add up, leaving her unsettled long after he leaves. As the night goes on, her friends start behaving oddly, some overly sweet, others tense, and a few exchanging looks that make Nicole's heart tighten with suspicion. Then, one unexpected moment pushes her over the edge: a hint, a sign, a flash of lipstick that shouldn't be there. Suddenly, the joy of the evening shatters, replaced by a terrifying possibility: someone she trusts may have betrayed her. And she needs to know who. In the aftermath of the truth coming out, Nicole feels the weight of everything she's lost pressing down on her at once. The man she was ready to marry, the mother she trusted blindly, the friends she thought would stand beside her, all of them exposed in ways she never imagined. For the first time, the house feels painfully empty, and Nicole wonders how she'll pick up the pieces of a life that shattered in a single day. But just when she begins to think she's truly alone, a small spark of hope returns. Vanessa, the one friend who had tried, however clumsily, to protect her, finally reaches back after all of Nicole's desperate messages. Seeing her at the door reminds Nicole that betrayal didn't take everything, it simply cleared the path for what was real. And in that moment, Nicole realizes she didn't lose her whole world, she just lost the wrong people. Just when Nicole tries convincing herself that everything might finally make sense, the investigator quietly steps forward with a detail that changes everything. He points out something Nicole overlooked: the handwriting on the vows doesn't match Bruce's dominant hand. Bruce is left-handed, yet the vows were written with a steady right-hand stroke. The moment this truth lands, Nicole's heartbeat stutters, and the room goes still. Her mother's comforting explanation suddenly feels rehearsed, too perfect, almost desperate. And then comes the final blow: the investigator reveals that Bruce wasn't writing vows with Nicole's mother, he was with Nicole's mother. The alibi she provided wasn't protection, it was a cover-up. Every warm word, every reassuring gesture, every motherly defense was nothing more than a shield for her secret affair. Nicole's world doesn't just crack, it collapses. And with that single revelation, every lie finally comes into focus. Amid the chaos of accusations and broken trust, Nicole clings to the one belief that brings her a bit of comfort: maybe Bruce didn't cheat at all. Maybe everything she's hearing is just her friends projecting their own jealousy and mistakes. When her mother steps in with a gentle voice and a calm explanation, it almost feels like the anchor Nicole desperately needs. She tells Nicole that Bruce spent the entire night quietly writing his wedding vows in her room, far away from the noise and drama. She even shows a handwritten page, filled with tender promises that seem too sincere to be fake. For a moment, Nicole breathes a little easier, thinking she misjudged everything. The idea that her fiancé remained loyal gives her hope that the wedding can still be saved, that maybe her doubts were just emotional overreactions. But just as she begins to trust again, something about the story refuses to sit right. As the investigation deepens, the pressure becomes too much, and one by one the cracks in Nicole's friendships begin to show. What starts as nervous fidgeting soon unravels into confessions none of them ever planned to make. Daisy breaks first, admitting she tried to ruin Nicole's wedding dress, not out of anger, but out of jealousy she'd been hiding for years. Kitty follows, revealing she never respected Nicole's relationship and even encouraged Vanessa to tempt Bruce just to see if he'd fall for it. And Vanessa, cornered by guilt, confesses she kissed Bruce only to warn Nicole, hoping she'd notice the signs before it was too late. Each confession hits harder than the last, painting a picture of friendships built not on loyalty, but on envy and buried resentment. Nicole listens in disbelief as the people she trusted most expose their true intentions, and with every truth revealed, the betrayal feels sharper.